So this week's word of the week for week number 17 is calories. Now calories benefit the body by releasing energy to the body through the food you eat. More calories, in a sense, equal more energy. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, so stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 17 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, vertical jumps. Number 2, reverse lunges. Number 3, ab crossovers. And number 4, quick feet. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 17. Number 1, we got vertical jumps. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go about feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna crouch down, and then we're just gonna jump up as high as we can. And we're gonna do this as many times as we can in 30 seconds. So vertical jumps is number 1. Number 2, we got reverse lunges. So I'm gonna go and start with my right foot back. I'm gonna step back, and then I'm gonna go down and up, down and up. I'm gonna do this 5 times on my right side. Switch it over, do 5 times on my left, down and up, down and up. So that's reverse lunges. Number 3, we got ab crossover. So I'm gonna go and place my right hand out, my right leg is gonna go up, and then I'm gonna try to get my left elbow to touch my right knee. And I'm gonna cross over, I'm gonna do this 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna switch. Opposite side, left hand is out, right elbow touches your left knee. Okay, we're gonna go 5 on each side, switch it up. Last one, we're gonna go quick feet, so we're just gonna chop in place, quick feet, quick feet, quick feet. You wanna try to keep your heel off the ground as much as possible, on your toes, quick feet, okay? So get ready to go. That is Fast 5 workout number 17. We'll get started in just a moment. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go. Drop down and up as high as you can. Oh, I'm not jumping as high as the ceiling. Let's go. Vertical jumps. Get low and jump. Explode. Use your legs to propel you up. Let's go. Vertical jumps. You're doing great. Keep up the good. Rewind. Keep up the great work. Let's go. All right, let's go. Reverse lunges. Right leg back and down, up. Remember, we're gonna do this 5 times and then switch. Woo. 4, 5. I hope you guys are enjoying these Fast 5 workouts. Now I have 16 live Fast 5 workouts. This is number 17, my friends. Woo. Oh, they're burning. My quads and hamstrings are burning. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do those ab crossovers on your backs. We'll start with our left hand out, left leg up, right hand behind your head. You're gonna cross over starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Cross over, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Let's go. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quickly on your feet. Let's go. Let's go. Quick chops. Go. Quick, 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 quick. Stay on your toes the whole time, let's go. 30 seconds, let's go. Move, move, move. Woo. I know, I'm getting tired. If you're getting tired, it's okay. We're in this together, my friends, just finish. And time, 1 minute rest. Woo. Holy guacamole. Woo. Definitely one of the more challenging fast 5 workouts I've done. I hope you guys enjoy it. Start back up the top. We got vertical jumps, reverse lunges, ab crossovers, as well as quick feet. We're halfway done, my friends. Just finish. Remember the motto, just finish. Whatever you guys do in life, just finish. You start a project, you start a class, you start music, some type of instrument, just finish. Keep working hard at it. The longer you do it, the more time you put in, more time and effort you put into something, the better it's gonna make yourself, and the more you're gonna grow. Right, got 5 seconds left. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go, vertical jumps. I want you to really explode this round. Nice job, keep it up, let's go. Ooh, explode. All right, let's go, reverse lunges. Leg back and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. Woo! Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Just finish, my friends. Oh, I feel it. But I'm working hard. Get this together, my friends. All right, we got those ab crossovers. Let's go. 2 more. You can do it. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Go across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Try to get your elbow to touch your knee. 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1. All right, on the feet, let's go, let's go. Quick feet, quick feet. Quick feet. No, heels in the floor, let's go. Let's go. Cha, 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 cha. Quick feet. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, just finished. 1. And time. Nice job, my friends. You did an amazing job putting this workout. Give yourself a high five. All right, tap yourself on the back. Here's a virtual fist bump. Great job, my friends. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this Fast 5 workout number 17. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you thought was the most challenging exercise and why. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at ThePESpot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I'm gonna teach you a game called Scoop Ball. Now in this activity, you're only gonna need a few items. So let me go and show you real quick. So I actually created my own scoop for this activity. It's just an option. I used just a regular 16.9 ounce water bottle, and a toilet paper or paper towel roll, and just taped it up, and it works perfectly fine. See, put the ball in, toss it, and scoop it up and catch it. So if you're interested in making your own scoop, I will show you guys in another video, but for right now, I've already made it, so this is just for this activity. The next item you're gonna need is some type of bouncy ball, okay? This activity can be played by yourself, or it can be played with a partner if you have someone available to play with you. So you need that, as well as if you guys have a gallon water bottle, I highly recommend this. This is part of the catching aspect of this activity. So what I did is cut a gallon top of water, and I left the bottom attached, and then a flag belt right here, as well as some type of like bungee or rope, something that's not going to be flexible, because this will be worn on the head. And you're probably thinking, what? Yeah, you heard me, on the head. So I'll teach you that in just a moment, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Hi there. So for level 1, what you're going to do is simply you are going to wear this belt. As I mentioned, you are going to be wearing a belt, and this is going to be my catcher or my bucket. If you don't have a belt, you can just go and hold it up here. The first level you're going to put it at is at your waist. What you're going to do is you're going to bounce a ball against a wall. Like I have the wall behind me, and I'm going to try to catch it with it being on my body. Preferably, again, it's on your body. If you have a flag belt, a regular belt, a rope, any type of string that you can use that's accessible to you, definitely do that. If not, then just have the bucket right here at your waist, and you're going to try to catch it. That's level 1. Level 2, you're going to move that to either your right side or to your left side. It is your choice. If you choose right, that is level 2. If you choose left, after, that's level 3. It is your choice. So that's 2 or 3. It's completely up to you guys. Level 4, you're going to move it up to your chest. And last but not least, level 5, the big shebang. You're going to go ahead and put it on your head. Yes, I look ridiculous. I kind of look like Pluto. Woof, woof, woof. Anyways, so yes, you're going to put it on your head, and you're going to bounce it off the wall, and you're going to try to catch it up on top of your head. So you're going to be doing a lot of maneuvering. You're going to have to squat. You're going to have to lean. You're going to have to shift your body side to side so you can make that catch. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and let's go and get this game started. For my primary kids, I would highly recommend they just bounce it and try to catch it. For my older kids, I want them working with using an implement, so I actually have them toss it with my scoop. So again, I'll do it with primaries, and then I'll go and do it with a scoop so you can see the difference, okay? So first one, I'm gonna do it without the scoop. Put that to the side. I'm gonna bounce it off the wall. I'm gonna catch it at level 1 at my waist. Ready? And toss. I only want it to bounce one time off the wall, and then I gotta catch it. So I've completed level 1, now I'm on a level 2, so I'm gonna move it to my left side. Same process. Bounce it, and hop, first shot, look at that. That's level 2. Moving on to the right side for level 3. That was actually a really lucky bounce. But hey, I'm a professional, so stay tuned. Right side, do it again. Bounce, and hop. I'm a professional, it's proven right here. Level 2 and 3 are now complete. We're now moving on to level 4, which is at the chest. Again, 1 was waist, 2 was right or left, 3 was right or left. We're now at the chest, and then again, our 5th one is gonna be on top of our head. So hopefully I get to that level before we end this video. Level 4, bounce, ho! 1 in a row, hole in 1, got it. All right, moving on to level 5. We are now at level 5. As you can see, it is on my head, so I gotta get this ball in top of my head. I'm gonna squat, I'm gonna shift to the right, shift to the left, bend my body. So I'm gonna be doing all these crazy movements just to get this ball into there. So level 5. I missed, I felt it hit me, so we'll see. Bounce it again, hoping to get closer. I'll try one more time, hopefully I get it in. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below, see if I'll make it. I'll start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, last one. And I failed. I'm sorry to disappoint some of you guys, but as you can see, you're not gonna get it all the time. So keep working hard, have fun, and stay active. So I hope you guys enjoyed that individual activity of scoop ball, but now we're gonna do it with a partner. What if you do have a partner? What if you have somebody at home who is available for you to play with? Now we're gonna have one person as a catcher, which is gonna be me with the bucket. Again, we still have our 5 levels. We have level 1 here at our waist. Level 2 could be on your right. Level 3 could be on your left. We have the chest, and again, level 5 is above your head. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now my partner is gonna come over here. He's gonna be my tosser. My tosser is Jordan. Jordan's gonna use his brand new scoop that was created by yours truly. Again, 1 water bottle, 1 toilet paper roll, works pretty well, tosses and catches. Okay, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Jordan's gonna go, we're gonna start with level 1. Jordan's gonna toss it and he's gonna try to make it in my bucket. Again, as a catcher, my job is to try to catch it by bending down low, moving to the side, just to catch it, okay? Jordan, go ahead and toss it. Try it again. Grab some technical difficulties, toss, bounce. Level 1 is complete. Look at that. If you guys want to start off, you can modify it, have one bounce only, but hopefully in the near future, I want you to do it without a bounce, okay? If you want to challenge yourself, do it without a bounce. Level 2, we're gonna go to the right side. Jordan and myself just completed level 1. We're moving on to level number 2. We're gonna go to the right side this time. Jordan's gonna go ahead and toss it. Remember, we're allowed one bounce to start off with. In the future, I want no bounces to challenge yourself, okay? Toss it, let it bounce, catch, missed, try again. You really gotta maneuver your body a certain way just so you can make that catch. Toss. Oh, so close. All right. And we're gonna keep going until we get it. Make sure you guys, oh, there you go. Level 2 is now complete. Moving on to level number 3. We're gonna move it to the opposite side. To our left side. Strong side. You guys remember the Titans? It's a very classic movie. Notice how I'm adjusting my speed. Toss. Oh, so close. I'm moving my hip. I'm turning my hip to get to the ball. Good in the picture, Jordan. Toss. Oh, that looked promising. Try it again. Oh, so close. Oh, I gotta get a little lower. Too low. That looks so close. Guys, cheer us on. Drop a comment below. Whew. Getting tired. Level 3 is complete. Moving on to level number 4. All right, folks, thank you for staying patient. We're on level number 4, which is at our chest. All right, keep cheering us on. Drop a comment below. See if we can do it in our first try, second try, third try. Drop a comment below. Which try will we get it in? Go ahead and Jordan. Scoot in a little bit. Toss. Oh, so close. If you said 1, sorry to disappoint you guys. Huh? 2 tries, as you can see, it's right in there. There you go. Level 5 coming up. Level 5. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. All right, folks. We are now on level 5, the last level of this activity. Now, I'm gonna need some help, Jordan. I can't see or feel really where it's going, so I can't wiggle my head that way because they'll fall off. So Jordan's gonna have to help guide me to tell me where to move. So I definitely need his help. If you are the tosser, make sure you are helping your catcher. If you're a catcher, stay positive. At some point, you're gonna get it, I promise you. Work hard, and again, just remember, if you feel silly, think about what your partner's gonna feel like in just a few minutes when they have their turn, okay? Don't get discouraged, have fun. This is what we're all about. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Level 5. Ready? Pass up like that, toss. Or you gotta talk to me, I don't know where I'm going. Talk to me. Oh, too hard of a bounce. Try it again. Try that toss again. Bounce. Let it bounce.
Let it go. Straight. Oh.
I love the communication Jordan gave me, so we're gonna keep working hard.
Straight, straight, straight. Oh.
We're going.
Oh. Straight, straight, keep going straight. Made it.
And look at that. I hope that was on camera. Hope you guys enjoyed this activity. Drop a comment below. Tell me how you felt about it. Was it silly? Did you have fun? Because it's all fun and games. All right, kiddos. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you soon. Take care.